This is a quick morning practice that you can do to awaken the dragon or your spine, strengthening and rotating the spine, generating blood flow, and also massage your organs. The practice will also bring fresh blood to the brain. Go ahead and start off by giving yourself a little wash, waking up your nervous system. Relax your hands and then gather your chi up. Interlace your fingers and press your palms to the sky. Sink your weight down. We'll repeat this a few times. Try to keep your movement continuous as well as your breath. Inhale as you gather. Lengthen. Exhale as you sink it down. Last one. Now go ahead and relax the hands, and we're going to go into some casual water swings. Keep the body nice and loose. Let the movement be dictated by your center or dantian, and your arms just follow naturally. You can turn your gaze side to side, opening up your vertebrae, or you can bring your gaze straight. In just a moment, we're going to pivot our back foot, opening up the water swings to be lateral. Keep the momentum going with your arms. Sink in the knees, pivot the foot. Imagine your arms are just grazing above water. And then slowly return to center and let the momentum dissipate naturally. Inhale, sinking chi. Breathe. Now go ahead and bring your hands to your lower back. Trace down your legs, around the ankles, and then up the inner thighs to your lower abdomen. We'll repeat this a few times, tracing your meridian line. Make sure you're nice and relaxed. Breathe naturally. Last one. Now as you come up, you're going to open up the arms into a mild back bend. Dive the hands down and then sway side to side. Inhale as you open your heart center. Relax the arms back and then dive forward. Invite the morning sunlight directly into your heart center. Expand. Exhale. Release. Now as you come up, slide your hands up and then sink them down towards your knees into a squat. We're going to rotate over to our shoulders. Look to the left and the right. Come to center and open the chest. 2 more times. As you finish, just relax your head and neck into a lazy forward fold. Come up slowly and let the blood settle. Now come into a T-stance, holding your chi ball. Step out, open your palms, bring your gaze over to your left, rotating your spine. Come back to center and switch sides. Step out and now trace your gaze with your right palm, opening the spine. 2 more times. And slowly return to center and sink your chi. Let it all go. Last practice. Rise with your leg towards your elbow, palms out. Sink it down. Switch sides. Knee to elbow, palms out. Keep a steady movement. relaxed and focused. Last one. Palms out, relax the legs. To conclude the practice, open up your arms, palms together. Sink it down to your heart center and breathe. Hands over Dantian, take a few breaths here and bring in a sense of gratitude.